This is crazy. What an idiot.
I'm just gonna lay on the horn.
Like, really?
You deserve this, buddy. Yeah. Seriously? Wow.
This is crazy.
What the?
In neck, yeah. So, I mean, when you watch them on film, you're like, okay, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, shoot!
Speaking of,
He was nice to the Lord.
oh my God! Oh.
Ôi, chân kìa,
Ai dụ, kiếm thiệu. Ai đi bộ kiến khờ thế này?
Ồ, cái này, miếng kiến khả.
Ai, này nó恐怖啦！你行較頭前，佢騎到頭前去哦。
Really admire Nolan, and I'm happy he's been doing but Nolan's a very meticulous filmmaker, right?
Oh! Toby man. Channel if you. Oh, beauty.
What the?
Full Show Podcast and all the other podcasts up to date. We will see you tomorrow.
Ooh.
For.
Oh my God! Are you okay? Oh.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
Seriously?
Top 3 dummies of the day.
But known universally as melanin. It is one of the oldest molecules in biology and is found throughout the world.
Go, dude.
It doesn't just color skin. It gives birds the color of their feathers.
I have the right of way. F you. What the? Well, that was interesting.
What the? Oh my god.
Top 3 dummies of the day.
What the fuck? Stop! Ah!
Why? What the f is your fucking problem, you dumb?
Ja pierdzielę! Ja pierniczę, co to było?
Аварийное видео записывается.
Твою мать, блядь!